cart. We plan to eat this fruit. So I think this fruit is under the category of lime, but usually lime is just small size. In Burmese we call it tamiyadi, is small one. This is what we call it shawdi, because shawdi is bigger than tamiyadi. But they have the same taste, which means sour taste. And then the biggest one, which we call is Drangandi. Drangandi means like they has a little bit sweet taste, but some of them they will also have a sour taste too. Okay, now we're going to try shell bean, and then we will see how that tastes well bean, and then let's check out together. We're going to cut the big line, which means shell bean. We're going to cut shell bean now. So far, maybe we just have to peel the skin off big line. Maybe some of people they may call key line like that because it's like big one, right? The smell is very nice. Do you want to smell it? It's like very pleasant smell, right? Have you ever tried it in US?
Yeah. It's really good. It's sour.
How about we put camera here together? You come and sit beside me.
Okay.
Maybe next time we will do that again for video for eating the big line.
Yes, we should.
Because today is like already dark. So I just bring,
it's a lot of work too.
and then I just bring the small, and then we still have the tool, so we can make video again. Okay, guys, let's try it together. So this is how we eat it. Dip it inside the what is that? The sauce.
Yeah.
And then we can eat it. So nice. I like it. Do you like it? How do you think?
It's good.
We are good, right?
Yes.
Sometimes your mind also asks you to eat
something,
to eat
sweets or
because I have been eating sweet a lot, right?
Got it. So you need something salty.
Yeah. Wow, so nice.
Yes.
Something anti-sunlight.
Uh-oh. Put water? A lot of people from Myanmar don't like to eat sweet stuff.
Yeah. That's why in the curry we don't really put sweet like sugar. We don't really put that. Maybe in Thai you may see most of people in Thailand if they cook they put with sugar, right? So when we cook we don't put sugar. Yes, salt and then people that can be chicken powder something like that.
Sugar is for cake and candy, dessert.
Yeah.
Oh, you want to finish it? Got to hear the birds singing.
Yeah, you eat that one. Hello guys, so this is out about our video. We already eat it, and then for me, I feel like it's good, and then because I usually eat it when I was in Myanmar. How about you?
It's good. Yeah, this is my
Yeah.
first time eating it with the sauce and stuff like that. So it's really good.
Yeah, it's good, and then like it's also refresh your mind, right? Because like sour, spicy, sauce, something like that, right? Okay,
Yes.
guys, I think you will enjoy our videos and see you in the next video.
Yes.
Bye bye.
Bye. See you.